Hey there, today we're checking out the Moen Adler Chrome 3.5-inch 4-function showerhead that offers multiple high-pressure options for an invigorating shower experience. This showerhead easily screws onto your existing shower arm, making installation quick and hassle-free. Its versatile chrome finish adds a sleek, mirror-like look that complements any bathroom style. With a powerful 2.5 gallons per minute flow rate, it delivers a full-force rinse every time. You can choose from 4 distinct spray settings, including full spray, invigorating spray, refreshing spray, and energizing massage. Plus, it's built to last and backed by Moen's limited lifetime warranty for peace of mind. Upgrade your shower routine with this customizable and durable high-pressure showerhead today. Thanks for hanging out with us. If this product caught your eye, there's a direct link and more info waiting for you in the description below. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss our daily finds. See you in the next one.